Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel YT Studio means YouTube Studio. Today our topic is what is YT Studio and how to use it. So this is the application YT Studio. If you want to install it, you need to go to your Play Store in your phone and search here YT Studio. YT Studio. So this is the icon of the application. First of all, you need to install this application. After the click on the install, after the installation of the application, you need to open this application. In my phone, this application is already installed, so I will open this application. So see here, this is the main application, and my your YouTube channel account will be automatically signed in this application, which is sign up in your YouTube application. So see here, this is a very useful application for the YouTube creators. You can in a easy way you can manage your YouTube channel. So you can see here, these are the comments on my videos. So like I am click on this comment, so I can in easy way I can like, dislike, comment and give a heart to the comment from here in a very short period of time. So you can also reply the comments from here. So like these comments from here, click on that thing and you can easily reply the comments very quickly. So there are so many options are available here in the YT Studio, like dashboards, your videos, these are your all videos, and also playlists. You can also manage your playlist from here, like these are my playlists. You can also manage your playlist from here. You can also see analytics and settings, and there are so many options are available in the YT Studio. So now first of all we will check our videos. So I will select my one video individually. You can see this is my video, and you can check here your views, comments, like, dislikes here easily, and you can view the you can do the analytics of the individual videos, like check here real time, watch time, views, audience orientation, like versus dislike, traffic source, suggested video, browse picture, external, YouTube, others. Like I will select on real time views. These are the views on my video in last 48 hours. You can also change the time duration, like see here, this is real time 60 minutes, last 7 days, 28 days, last 90 days. As your wish, you can change the time duration of your video. So like there are more option, discovery, audience, like click on the audience, 100% male, 18 according to age, top countries, and also discovery. You can see this is very important, like these are those videos that are suggesting by this video, you can see, and this is very important for the YouTube channel, for the growth of their channel. Like these are the terms, these are the suggesting terms, those are the very important this video. Like these are the terms that are searched by the users, top YouTube search terms. And there you can see there are another more options. So this is very useful application for the YouTube creators. You can also manage your overall channel. Now we see the individual analytics of the video. Now you can do the analytics of your channel overall, like real time views at my channel in last 48 hours 300. You can also change the duration of the time as your wish, like I will click on last 60 minutes. I will only get 9 views in last 60 minutes. You can also see here same real time views, how to choose a career wise, and if this video might get 60 views in last 48 hours. Watch time is 290.76 in last 28 days. Views, average view duration, subscribers 129 gained by me in the last 28 days. and you can see your top videos. You can check the duration, the watch time of your videos. Like Watched Book Haryana Police Constable Exam 2018 is the watch time is 608, and my this video is only have 7 minutes of watch time. So friends, overall this is very nice application for the YouTube channel creators. Same you can manage your playlist, like your top playlist. So overall this is very good application. I hope this video will helpful for you. If you like my video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So if you still not subscribe my channel, please now subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, so as I upload my next video, so you will get the notification. Okay friends, thanks for watching.